Now tell me, screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Suppose I'm giving you subtract subtract.
Ma'am, can you increase the font size?
Yes, beta.
Can you increase the font size?
You are not clearly audible to me, beta. Speak loudly, Advait.
Ma'am, can
Chip,
you increase the font size?
you are not audible.
Ma'am, can you make it bigger size, ma'am? Yes,
Yes,
audible.
yes, yes. Don't worry, I will make it. Let me write first, okay? 1,85,246 from 8,62,000 and 549. Suppose question comes like this.
Ma'am, the larger number should be at top and smaller number should be at bottom, ma'am. So it would be easy to uh, uh, uh,
Subtract.
subtract.
Okay. Yes, children, now it is clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am.
I have increased the font size. So start doing for subtraction. Now we have to subtract this. So you have to subtract this from. So this bigger number from. After the from word, which number is given, whether it is smaller or bigger, you have to write it on the top. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is, now subtract this number, just start writing from the last. 6, 4, 2, 5, 8, 1. Now
Done, ma'am.
subtract it. Done, Chiranjit?
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell
Okay,
ma'am?
just wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Advik Singh done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait for 2 minutes. Advait? Advait, have you done?
Ma'am, are you asking me?
Yes.
Ma'am, almost done now.
Okay, okay. Advait Singh?
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now Advait Singh, tell me 9 minus 6.
3.
Good. 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. Advik Singh 4 minus 4?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Yes, good. Now Advait 5 minus 2?
Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now Chiranjay 2
Yes,
minus 5?
ma'am. 6. 2 minus 5, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the 2 is smaller than 5, ma'am. So we'll take a number from us from the 6 and the 2 will become as 12. Then 12 minus 5 is 7.
Yes, good. Then it will be 7. Okay, now Advait, tell me what I have to write here at the place of 6. Advait?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am at the place of 6, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5, ma'am.
Okay.
Maybe it's wrong.
Why?
Because the lower number is 8 and we can't subtract 8 from 5.
Advait, I have asked him only that which number I will ask right here. He said 5. Okay. Now, Advait, next step.
Ma'am, we should do 5 minus 8, ma'am. So we can't do 5 minus 8, so we should borrow from 8, ma'am. And 5
Yes.
becomes 15 and
Yes.
8 becomes 7.
Yes, very good.
15
Very
minus
good,
8 is
Advait.
7.
Okay, bus. That's it. Now, Advait, tell me here what can I write instead
Ma'am,
of 8?
instead of 8, we can write 7 and 7
Yes,
minus 1, 8. It's 6.
6. Very good. Children, see, suppose two friends are there. See, suppose two friends are there. Okay, this is Advait and this is Chiranjeev. Now, next time we will take Advik and Advait. Okay. Now, this is Chiranjeev. Okay. Now, they
Yes,
both are going to market. Okay. They went to the market. And in market, and suppose Advait has 500 rupees and Chiranjay also have 500 rupees. Both are having equal amount of money. Okay. Now
Yes,
both went to the market and this market is of sports. Now Advait want to purchase sport kit. Okay. Advait wants to purchase sports kit. Okay. And it amounts around 800. Right?
yes.
Now, Advait have only 500 rupees. So is there any way? Is there any option you can say that he can
Ma'am,
purchase a sports kit?
ma'am, he can take half of the
And they
buy.
can combine them.
Yes, he can take or he can ask, right? He can borrow 300 rupees from Chiranjay also. One thing he can do, he will skip for purchasing this. He will skip for shopping. Right? Then second will be that he will borrow money from Chiranjay.
Ma'am, or buy another item.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, or we can even buy another item.
Okay, good, beta. Now, see, now 800 kit, but he is having only 500 rupees. So, what will Advait will do? He will borrow 300 rupees from the Chiranjay. So, now Advait has 800 rupees. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Advait has 800 rupees and he can buy the sports kit. And Chiranjay. Now, Chiranjay has given 300 rupees from his money. Then, how much Chiranjay is having now?
Ma'am,
2.
200.
200.
200 only. So, have you understood this borrowing process? So, in the questions also, that it is just wait.
Ma'am, these questions are for senior graders.
Yes, yes. Actually, I have opened. Okay, see. Now, now Advait have 800 rupees and Chiranjay has 200 rupees after borrowing. So in the same, if I'm having 100, okay, and I have to subtract 82. Now you can't subtract 2 from 0. So what you will do, children? You will
Ma'am,
take borrow now.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
We
can I
borrow
tell
from
the?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Chiranjay.
Ma'am, the 0 will become the 10 and 10 minus 2 will be 8. This
Yes.
another 0 will is not impossible because 0 is not considered as any number to be borrowed, but we can take another number borrowing like 1. The 1 will become 0 and other 0 and the beside 0 will become as 9 and that 0 will become 10. So 9 minus 8 will be 1 and the
Yes.
answer would be 9 uh, uh, 18.
Yes, very good. He is saying correct. Very good, Advait. Now you can't
I'm not
subtract 2
Advait.
from Chiranjay. Sorry. Sorry for that, beta. Very good, Chiranjay. Now it will become 10, beta. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. Now you have borrowed it. Now how much is here left? 9. So
9.
9 minus 8 is
1.
1. Or you can check your answer also by adding these two, result and your subtrahend. Right? Now add them 100. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Advait, Advik, Advait, Chiranjay. All have understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now suppose Miss Mani Mehta, question is, Mr. Mehta bought a plot of land for rupees 18,52,345 and spent rupees 32,53,760 in constructing 3 apartments if he got 27,16,750 rupees loss by selling these. Find the loss. First of all, tell me, what do you mean by loss?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we lose that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Good, Advik. What do you, loss means? See, suppose Advik has, suppose Advik has one pen and its cost is 100 rupees. Now Advik wants to sell it. Okay. He wants to sell that pen. So he sold pen at the rate of rupees 80. Now he has purchased in 100 rupees and he has got only 80 rupees.
Ma'am, he has
Right?
lost.
So that means he has got 20 rupees less.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called the loss. Clear, beta? Understood, children? What do you mean by loss?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And children, sending your homework on my WhatsApp number, on my personal window. Okay? Only Chiranjay has sent me the yesterday's question. Advik has sent only one question. Advait and Advait Singh, no one has said anything. सौरभ फाइल है ना मैडम, दूसरा टाइम दे देंगे, ठीक है? बोल दिया मैंने, दूसरा टाइम दे देंगे उसे.
Ma'am, done.
Chiranjay done?
No, ma'am.
Who has done?
Ma'am, Advait.
Advait, okay. Just wait for others also, okay beta?
Ma'am, Advait.
Advik has done very good.
I didn't understand this question.
Chiranjay done?
No, ma'am. I can't understand.
Okay, I will explain. Advait,
Yes, ma'am.
done?
Ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am.
Okay, then I will explain. Don't worry. See, beta, what the question want to say that where is my pen? Okay, see, Mr. Mehta bought a plot of land for rupees this. Okay, it means, so what you will write here, it means the cost of the land is, right, beta? Cost of land is 18,52,345. Now he spent the money. Suppose if I am asking you that you have purchased a cooler. Okay. You have purchased a cooler of 10,000 rupees and you have spent 500 rupees on its transportation. Okay. Transportation means the shopkeeper will drop that cooler at your home only. Then it will charge something. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood? So, after adding that charge, that extra charge, you will say that the cooler, the cost price of cooler, or you can say the total money which you spend on the cooler is that 10,500. Got it this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write here the cost of the land, then you will write cost of construction because you after he has constructed how many apartments he constructed? 3 apartments. It means building is like this. A plot is there and on the plot 3 buildings. Ground floor, first floor, second floor like this. Okay, beta? So the cost was 32,53,760. So this cost he has spent on the land. So now you can find total cost of land now or total cost. So add them.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you forgot to write the comma before 7, ma'am.
What?
You forgot to write the comma before 7, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Adar. 5 plus 0 is
5.
6 plus 4,
10.
10.
1 goes
10. 1 goes in,
carry.
carry. 7 plus 3 is
10.
11.
10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 goes in,
Carry.
Ma'am, 6.
carry. 6. Yes. 5 plus 5,
10.
10, ma'am.
10. 1 goes in, carry.
10. 11.
8
11.
plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is
Ma'am, total
11. 1 goes in, carry.
Ma'am,
3 plus 1 plus 1. How much?
5.
5. It means now the total cost of the land and the 3 apartments which he made is 51 lakh 6,105 rupees. Right. Now, what he has done? He sold the property. Right. Now he sold the apartment. So sale prices, you can write selling price of the apartments is 27 lakhs. So start writing from the last 0571627. Now he has sold and this amount and he has spent 51 lakh around 51 lakh. So it means he has not got the cost at which he has bought. So it means he has suffered a loss. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So now subtract 5 minus 0 is
Ma'am,
5 minus 0.
ma'am, 5.
Yes. Then 0 minus 5 is?
5.
Ma'am, borrow.
You have to take borrow 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And here will be 0. Now again you can't subtract 7 from 0. What you will do? You will take 1 borrow from 6. Then it will be 5 and it will be 10. 10 minus 7?
3.
3. Now here is 5. So you can't subtract 6 from 5. So you will take 1 borrow. Then it will be 15. 15 minus 6 is?
Ma'am,
Yes.
9.
9. And here will be 9. 9 minus 1 will be 8. Why I have written here 0? By mistake I have written. Now here will be 0 beta. So again you can't subtract 7 from 0. So you will take 1 borrow from here. It will be 4 and it will be 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And 4 minus 2 is 2.
2.
So he has suffered a loss of rupees 23,89,355 rupees. Understood, children?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am got the right answer.
You have got? Okay.
Yes.
Please note this, then I will give you similar question.
Ma'am, my subtraction was wrong.
Why, Chiranjan?
Ma'am, me, Advik.
Advik. Okay. Why? Where did you have done the mistake?
Ma'am, the number from which I subtracted 27,16,750 was the cost of land.
Yes. The
That-
cost of selling price. Selling price of land, beta. The 3 apartments which he sold. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to send you this.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to send you this word.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, send your homework. Only Chiranjay has sent yesterday the question which I have asked to send. Please send your homework on daily basis. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Chiranjay, beta. Keep doing this.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm appreciating you, beta. Very good. Keep doing this.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep sending your work on my WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children, all I have noted. Now I am giving to you next question. All I have noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have some activity classes from 4 onwards.
Okay.
So,
So,
ma'am, can
yes. Advait, you also want to go?
Ma'am, I have also the activity class starts from the 4 o'clock.
Okay, okay. Okay, Advait. Advait, also you want to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. Please revise the subtraction and addition for your Sunday test, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye, Advait.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.